What if I told you there's a stereo amplifier that not only delivers true audiophile-grade performance, but also comes loaded with room correction, streaming, and smart connectivity? That's right, the Arcam SA30 isn't just a great amp. It might just be the best stereo amplifier under $3,500. But is it really worth the hype or the price? Let's break it all down and see if the Arcam SA30 deserves a place in your setup. Arcam SA30 Overview. Released by Arcam in late 2025, the SA30 is the flagship integrated stereo amplifier in the British brand's HDA series. Known for its heritage in hi-fi audio, Arcam built the SA30 for serious audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts. It's a Class G MP, pushing 120 watts per channel into 8 ohms. And it's not just about raw power, it features advanced Dirac live room correction, ESS Sabre DAC, and streaming capabilities like UPnP and Chromecast. If you're after high-fidelity sound with modern tech under the hood, the SA30 is built to impress. Arcam SA30 Performance. Let's talk real-world performance. And spoiler alert, it's seriously impressive. Arcam SA30 produces a detailed, spacious, and transparent soundstage. Whether you're spinning vinyl, streaming from Tidal, or running a Blu-ray through HDMI ARC, it maintains superb clarity and dynamics. Even at high volumes, distortion is barely noticeably a testament to the Class G topology, which combines the efficiency of Class A with the finesse of Class A. We tested it with a pair of Bowers Wilkins 703 S3 and a KEF R7, and the results were phenomenal. Its vocals were rich and centered, while instruments had air and separation. The Dirac live calibration made a noticeable difference, especially in mid-range balance and bass tightness in untreated rooms. However, the amp gets warm after a few hours, though nothing alarming, and the initial Dirac setup might be a bit techy for beginners. But once dialed in, the SA30 performs like a true high-end amplifier, punching way above its weight. Features and tech. Here's where the Arcam SA30 really flexes. Dirac live room correction. This is the same room correction tech used in high-end VRs. It tunes your space for ideal acoustics using a microphone and software. After calibration, the difference is like night and day-to-day bass, clearer mids, and more consistent imaging. ESS Sabre ESS 9038 DAC, one of the most highly regarded DACs in hi-fi. Capable of 32-bit 192 kHz playback and full MQA decoding for Tidal Masters lovers. This means ultra-detailed and accurate playback, no external DAC required. Class G amplification, unique to Arcam. This system intelligently switches power rails to optimize energy use and reduce distortion. It delivers the warmth of Class A, while remaining cool and efficient. Streaming built-in, Chromecast, UPnP, and Roon endpoint support make this amp future-proof. You can stream high-res audio from your phone or PC wirelessly, and it plays nice with Google Home too. It's design and build. The SA30's chassis is classic Arcam minimalist and purposeful. With a matte black aluminum front, clear old display, tactile buttons, and a solid volume knob, it feels premium without being flashy. It weighs in at just over 22 pounds, and build quality is tank-light. Ventilation is excellent for a Class G amp, and while it lacks flashy LED lighting or color displays, that's by design. Arcam is all about sound over style, and the clean industrial design will blend beautifully into any hi-fi rack or minimalist living room. Pros: audiophile-grade sound quality with Class G power, built-in Dirac live for room correction, full support for MQA, Chromecast, and Roon excellent DAC performance, future-proof streaming, and HDMI ARC input. Cons: Dirac live setup can be tricky for beginners, no Bluetooth. Gets warm during extended use. Price and value. As of mid-2025, the Arcam SA30 retails around $3,200, $3,400 USD, depending on the dealer. While it's definitely a premium product, the feature-to-performance ratio is excellent. When you factor in the built-in ESS DAC, Dirac live, and streaming support, you're getting the value of multiple components in a single box, compared to rivals like the Hegel H190, NAD M10, or Cambridge Audio Edge A. The SA30 is one of the most versatile and future-proof choices for serious home audio activity. You get 7 digital inputs, including HDMI ARC, USB-B, coax, and optical. On the analog side, there's a phono input for cartridges, 3 RCA line-ins, and pre-out for external amps or subwoofers. Ethernet and dual-band Wi-Fi are built-in, but Bluetooth is notably missing. Still, Chromecast and UPnP fill that gap seamlessly. Ideal user type. This amp is for those who value audiophile sound and want the best of analog and digital worlds. If you're re-upgrading from entry-level integrateds or looking to downsize from bulky separates without losing fidelity, the Arcam SA30 should be on your shortlist. Final verdict. The Arcam SA30 is a true audiophile all-in-one amp that bridges the old-school charm of analog sound with the smarts of modern digital tech. It's ideal for critical listeners, hi-fi enthusiasts, even casual users looking for top-tier sound and a clutter-free setup. From streaming Tidal and Hi-Res to decoding MQA and correcting your room acoustics with Dirac Live, it delivers performance that rivals separate systems costing twice as much.